Let's talk Clarity Complete. Clarity Complete is a bundled offering of every single product and piece of technology that we offer here at Clarity Benefit Solutions. It is designed to create automation and eliminate redundant data entry for your clients. Let us check off three major boxes for your clients, that being technology through our benefits administration platforms, all of your pre-tax spending accounts, and then all of your compliance needs, including COBRA, ERISA, POP, 5500, and ACA reporting. Accessing Clarity Complete is easy through our single sign-on portal, where you can access all different aspects of your total benefits package, making administration really easy and eliminating friction and challenges for your participating employees. Want more information about Clarity Complete and some of the other bundles that Clarity offers? Give us a call today.